What is up, everybody? It's 6 Color Spot Process Matt coming at you with another business vlog. I'll show you what we got going on today. Coming up. Welcome back, everybody. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. So we're running off this order here, 350 shirts, wholesale contract screen printing. The press is currently warming up in the background. Compressor may kick on at any moment. And then we have another order that's being dropped off. That's 900 shirts. It's white front and back, but you know, we're doing 2 screens, print, flash, and then print again on that white. And we got a full house again. So the whole crew is here. Let's go through the front door and see what they're up to. There's Panda. There's the shop gnome hiding behind a computer. And there's Michelle hiding behind a computer desk. As always, Apollo's here, keeping it real, holding down the fort. He makes sure we're running a tight ship around here. And then Shannon looks like she's ordering shirts, doing quotes. Yeah, right. Where are you going? And Michelle's graphic designing it up. Michelle.
Yes.
Say hi to YouTube.
Hi.
The girls hate being on camera and on YouTube. The fellows love it though. What are you doing to him?
He was jumping on me, so this is how I get him to stop.
That's your submission?
That's his submission. He gave me his paw, that means we're done playing.
He gives up. Alright, looks like we're gonna get this party started here in a second. Just as soon as the pallets finish warming up. And I forgot to turn on the dryer, so now it's warming up. So we gotta wait for that to warm up. In the meantime, I think I'll turn on some jams and set the camera up. What happened?
I tripped on this and fucking dude. I get twisted it real bad.
We don't have insurance. Gotta go get some direct. Hey, Michelle, could you do me a favor? Anna Cruz has sent a couple emails and she needs balloon film, either that or a mock-up, our balloon template that we have here. Put that on 13 by 19. So their stuff's pretty much all one color.
Okay, is it just this is the only art?
I don't know, you have to go back to the email. Alright, let's get this party started. down to the last couple, 2 or 3 shirts. Get it, man. Get it.
Oh, God damn it.
Okay, we got that order all finished. So there it is, all packed up, ready to be picked up. Got Panda working on some screens, doing a little reclaiming over there. And we have these orders that we have to do as well. But that's part of the 900 t-shirts. Some of these screens, the other 6 are for another job. And it doesn't look like those 900 shirts are gonna get here today, so we're gonna have to pick that up tomorrow. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.